This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Caroline Badgett. Open house Monday 3:30 to 5:30. This property a dream for anyone looking to enjoy the best of both worlds, a serene country atmosphere with the convenience to shopping and restaurants in the Bluegrass area. The large sunroom and level backyard with a treehouse, chicken coop, and raised garden beds offer endless possibilities for relaxation and recreation. With the living, dining, flex room, sunroom, and kitchen on the main level, and all 4 bedrooms upstairs, this layout provides both functionality and comfort. It's an ideal setting for creating lasting memories and enjoying a sustainable lifestyle. For more information, review the details below or contact Caroline Badgett at 865-966-1111.